Hello everybody, today I'm going to make a fire truck. I made the half and put the fire thing in the front to get two of these sides. Then get this box. Actually, it's not a box, but it broke. Well, it is Lego. Lego can always be fixed. Put it here on the back. And get the mirror, put it in the front. Get steering wheel, put it right in the front. Well, you have to take the mirror off for that. Right in the front. Put the mirror back on. I've already done this. Half. And get this piece. Put it right here. Make it the second part. Then get this. Then get this black piece. Put in front of the blue. Then get these two of these. Put them right on top of the blue and the black. Then get this. The short side, put the bucket. Then put it this way. Actually, put it this way and then put it down. Then, as I mentioned in the last video, put this black thing inside of this hole. When you hear the snap, you know it's in. That's how you build a fire truck. I also showed how to build this big truck, but I'm going to show you both of them. It's like they're in a line.